President Museveni nkusaba onyambe netangira akamotoka nze nayo munampaka primo because I am a very hardworking person. Off TikTok I have a business. Kano kagenda kunsiiba mu maaso olaba wali ku bedside olaba kaziko ka green ke bampadde akahabu. So guys, if you love me, by the way, thank you for prayers. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your prayers. Let me remind you this. No one is not going to die. Everyone is going to die. And by the way, the worst thing is wishing someone to die. That's the worst thing on planet Earth. Never wish someone to die. Never ever in life wish someone to die. That's it. Because we know that Beyonce. Boo, Sefka ya commenting awo ku video yange. Bananga kana akusinga nkaonye. Mukwano gobula mu busoba. Anyways, Beyonce, because at the end of the day we shall all die. And by the way, I was in a serious coma. A serious one. So I thank God that I even came back to life. Omanyize nakomotegera nga nyingidde kona sala ku motoka ya Bantomera. I don't know what happened. Ka green kalinga bizigo tokalaba accidents happen to people most of when when you're prone to driving and anything. In fact natavuga solo funa accident osobola bosika ebinyanja butona kuyikira osobola boli mu nyumba ne wekona kusinga these things manai so fanga webase osobola kufa nga webase osobola kufuna koma nga webase notadangulu. And you guys, so what did I know? God is warning you for what? Are you God? Are you a messenger to God? Anyways, the one my basabi davanjagaliza obulungi. Thank you very much. No, my batanjagaliza obulungi. This way now called because for now I'm not really welcome, but at the end of the day we shall die. No one is here to stay. So under video President Museveni bambi mugambe mutabani wasaba ye mmotoka endala bintu bibina ebyabuzeza. If not, me will no longer be on that side because singa yadde ebizibu byange nti navumina kamatte bulenda, that would be a different case. That is my own cause, but I can't just post President Museveni, peacemaker of Uganda, and you crucify me for that. Really, that's unfair. At least I'm not a lawyer, but I know in the Constitution of Uganda it's allowed to support any party that you believe in, that you want, that you feel like it's substantial. But you cannot crucify me for supporting Museveni. And I'm not saying he's doing the best, but at least it's the guy I'm supporting. Now people who do not support Museveni are going to say, Sefko, no one is going to stay on this earth forever. We shall all die, and it's inevitable. Yeah. Suratul Bakara. Allah yatuwanirako n'atugamba ddala mazima ddala buli mwoyo gwonna gwakuloza ku bulumi bw'okufa. Aye njera tebagisoma bata daikatul maut fa anna ndwadde kati ne Kurani edduse mu mutwe. Ayagala motooka ki? Jawhara mbuza njagala motooka ki? Njagala motooka gye mbadde nayo oba ensingako. Aviate sigisobola. Kyali mwana muto sobola vuga mafuta go nezimba ji. Olaba ne nini kyembadde nayo. Ibadde ennyo nnyo. Ng'olunaku ennyo emitwalo 8. Yeah, njagala by the President Museveni nsaba Harry Akawundo. If not Harry Akawundo, then I prefer having my Alphard. Yeah. It's okay, then nesimu niwe batampesingako bampe nyini gyembadde nayo iPhone 14 Pro Max. Then nekirala properties zange zibadde mu motoka ne sente zibabbye. Awo nange ngambe bannange walayi pate gyempagira ye nego can you imagine no postings mukulembeze wagwanga kati bana isinga yabadde Bobi Wine walayi singa Kevin okimanyi singa bakikoze Bobi Wine singa kati abantu bali mu kwekalakasa mu kibuga singa bakikoze supporter wa Bobi Wine. But guys, that is unfair. Fena tuli bantu. Me supporting someone is not a crime. And singa na chatuse kugwe nsubira singa na toli musanyofu. Ani achikukoze. I went in coma. I really don't remember because emotoka yatomera. When you look at my vehicle, side yange yokka. Nkugambe only my side got a problem. Like from start to the end. My side. Can you imagine? Can you? Someone is saying Olinga and busy. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. So I'm not in moods of abusing people because in the moral day, like I told you, I don't want to stress myself. I'm very happy. That's good for you. Okay. Because I don't support Bobi Wine. No, me I support people who are adding up. Zajaja wange nakulanga Museveni yabayamba okufa. Kitegeera. Ye yabataasa sinti yabayamba in words. Amagye gaabwe aga President Museveni nga gawamba gajja ku family yaffe. Jajja wange yali lubuto lwa maama wange. Ne babasitulawo ne babatwala mu nkambi z'amagye za Museveni. That's why by all means nze waliwo ne campaigns ezaliwo ne mpagira Bobi Wine. Simu bubi ezasooka nga Bobi Wine yakajja. But when people are promising to kill each other, people are promising to riot, people are promising a lot of instabilities, then I went back to Museveni because I was like, when I remember the sad story my judge told me was a lie. And that's the only reason, because if it was not him, you don't know. Now someone is saying, when Sojirabi, see, you to Jiraba. Someone is saying, sorry, dear, thank you very much. I've shown you the head, didn't I? Yes, I did. But President Museveni Bagala Motooka, if I don't get what I lost, Banchita. Now I at least since I've done Mulonji, but at least I know I've been doing some good job. Because if there weren't those videos that we are training on TikTok, me posting President Museveni, the big banners, the posters, the Katonga walks and the influences that we did, Tomania would even be the way I've been, because at least the Indian one, but I have many people that I support emotionally, physically, financially, academically, because I'm a very bright guy. So when you stop Dr. Sefko, you're stopping a lot of people behind me. So let's pray for Uganda. If Uganda, people are not free and people cannot express their political affiliations openly, as the Constitution of Uganda states. Guna kwebaziza dana olinga amaze. Sigenda kulyogera. That's it. Ate when you force me, that is another problem. Don't force me to say your name, because your name is ugly. Anyways, guys, thank God, I'll be fine. Oh, mama fina wamula wakulai wala. Nagamba zi. Sembera school ira. Mama fina yagamba TikTok azigaza omwana oyo munazita bichi alimo kusendebe like message like comedy yanjina Hey, Bambi, I love her so much. Mama Fina, thank you very much. Mama Fina. I'm even surprised that Mama Fina talked about me. I didn't know. Mama Fina, thank you very much for, yeah, I love you. Thank you for wishing me a quick recovery. Thank you for kunyora with me. Thank you for kunumirirwa. Mama Fina Bambi, wherever kubera mutima muzadde. Ila nchimanyi, you're going to look for me because I'm told Bagambi Embo, you're going to look for me. And I know you mean your word. Thank you. Kusabongambire ne kumuzee Mama Fina. Nti mutabani wo abadde asinga okwagala no ku TikTok. Kale nyinza okuba wali abalala bamwagala naye abadde asinga mu postinga. Bantomera almost to death. And I lost my property that I've worked for from scratch. Yeah, my vehicle, my MacBook, my phone, my money, and a lot of things as they are in a police report. Yeah. Oh my God, now what have I done? You see, people can kulumba you without even anything. Guys, my head is aching. I think I should call it quits. It's been a while. It's a week so far, ever since I got an accident, and for now, I'm doing better. That's all I can tell you. Oh my God. Stop over drinking. I drink little. And the thing I take has a little ABV. Go ahead. Annie? Kevin? See me no find an ABV maker. ABV. ABV. I think it has something like over 7%. It's very little. Even if you take 10, that's what I told me that. By the way, guys, let me tell you, I'm a senior driver. I've driven for so long. Like even when I think navuga ko ne convoy ya President Museveni akalulwa kasembayo and satomera emotoka teyali yange. It was a presidential convoy, but sitomerangako. This is my first time and my last time, and I'm sure it was a planned accident. It has never happened to me. Yeah, in one of the skills I have, at least. That's why I keep on teaching whoever comes along my way, whoever passes by my way. I plan and fight a lot to teach you how to drive, because that's the skill I can share with you. I'm a good driver and a senior driver with, how is it called? Abanjagala guys. Thank you for praying for me. Guys, I lost appetite. Naruma olulimi lwange munda onaluluma. So I'm giving out my number for the very last time. Munkubireko, if you can help me find my phone, please. I need my phone. There is a court defense that was already typed, that was already, just a printing. I need it. So I could be done. It's a long procedure. I need my phone. For the vehicle, President Museveni Bagala Motooka jembadde nayo obesingako chiri joli mtata and chimanyi ojja kujimba muzeeyi kubanga chimanyi ndi mutabani wo. Mama Kataha Janet Museveni nawe nkusaba ongulire akamotoka. Zimotoka yoka jenfaako ebisigadde can afford. Esimu nsaba bajinfunire oba bagenda kozesaba CMI oba bangulire empya, but still muli data wange. 074 266 3207 074 266 3207 074 266 3207. Akalulu no katuuse. Natunda bumondo kagula nava kisolo natunda bumondo ogula akamotoka kange ako ate bambi si buli omuntu akalina ate nsuubira abavubuka baba n'obukulembeze bw'eggwanga osanyuka nga abantu boofuga mu myaka mitone nga kiri bulungi. Abamu ku ffe twabonaabona nze by the way nababulira story yange saagala kugiddamu and saagala eddemu ennakuwaze. Bino bya TikTok byakajja ffe twali bayiribi mu kibuga abamanyi mumanyawo ku gundi ku haamu mwabagirimu mwakagitandika ffe haamu ffe abagijjako embuzi abali ku haamu mujjukira abatunda mwezi akedi munzijukira ab'omuwino munzijukira naffe tubeereko bulungi because buli muvubuka ekirooto kye kusula bulungi kubeera mu bulamu bulungi kubeera n'obulamu obweyagaza. Alhamdulillah ebisigadde bijjabuzi. Nammwe abali ku kyeyo muliyo nga mukimanyi nti njagala kudda Kampala nguleyo mu nnyumba yange nguleyo akamotoka kange bereko bulungi. President Museveni nkusaba munyambe mungulire akamotoka kange taata siragira nsaba. I'm not a Muganda because that's why my Luganda is not Luganda. Nensaba mungulire akamotoka kembadde nako oba namba yemu oba simu oba mungulire esingakawo. I'll be much obliged. Naye my humble prayer is sabayo motoka because first of all according to my health kati bwentuuse I can't live without a car, because sinatambulira nnyo omusana for 2 months. Omusana ogwo mubi, it's going to affect me. Ebbwa lino terinawona lino ate teriri wano wokka, it is all over the head, Another thing is esimu yange bagibbe. It was my phone, out of my money, out of my, I need it. Ne sente zange zaadde emotoka zonna bazibbye, ebintu byange byadde emotoka babibbye. Abo abaana bali very violent, President Museveni. Simanyi, I don't know how you're gonna do it, but ffe bwe tubalaba tubaleka ne tubasupporting omuntu waabwe naye ate ffe batunyigiriza. Is it bad to support someone who is a Ugandan, who was elected? Okay, elected or not, I don't know, but who is the president, the current president of Uganda? President Museveni, stop drinking and Bananga, I was not drunk. Awakana and I was drunk. Womuzango guli kawempe. Jango olabeko oba ekintu kyonna mboba simanya I was drunk. I was not drunk. I was very okay. Kugambi batandika okungoba nga tuva kololo nga ntegeera. Eno story gye nkubuulira n'abaliwo bajja kunyumiza story emu. Batandika okungoba abasirikale b'okwebbaala Boboshani agimanyi bagiyita. Accident made me even forget a lot of things. Bali eri awo kololo nga wakayita ku molecules nga wakagiyitako naye mu maaso awo oba Lazio, yeah, something Lazio, I think it's Lazio. My number is kambasomere number yange. Someone is saying omugo gwa Musa gwawonye gwawonye 074 266 3207 074 266 3207. For now I can't access my TikTok, yes, because I lost my phone. I don't remember my password, I don't remember my what. The phone number is in that phone. It is an eSIM card. I don't know what to do. I lost everything. I can't access. I had put two-factor authentication or to access my TikTok account. Natekamu kufulu bidi. Like you first put the password, then you put a verification code from the email. I don't remember the email. I don't remember what. Guys, just help me whoever has my phone. And I'm ready to pay the money they want. And whoever answers it, so Katonda nawa kumalira ebizibu byo byonna. Nawa akusasire akugumye ebizibu byonna by'oyitamu, akumalira ebizibu byonna by'oyagala, akuyamba akubeere, akuwe emikisa, akuwe emirembe, akuwe buli kimu. Nammwe ababadde bagamba Dr. Sefko simanyi singa wafudde. Nammwe nsaba Katonda abasonyiwe kuba bye mwogera temubimanyi. muli bantu, you're just giving, your judgments as human beings. Saba Katonda abasonyiwe. Ninga mbagala nnyo. I really love you so much because the very first thing kyenasabanga nakadde engulu, my phone. I wanted my TikTok family. You see, that's how much I love TikTok. My phone, yeah? Sure. Yali kati nawe soko ntekemu komala okuva ku live. Kubanga sagala kusabulira ku live bitambuli. Bonna kusabudde. Quick recovery mkono. Thank you Mercy 256. So my number kutereko sente kati. Thank you 074 26 63 207 074 266 32 07. Number yange. Abambande sente, thank you very much. Abagala okumpa, thank you very much. Saba Katonda abadizeo kumuba mujje abadizeo nenga bambi munyambi mungambire President Museveni posting a video you crop it, sorry, I beg your pardon, you screen record it, give it a very serious caption. Dr. Safe Kasaba President Museveni amodize byafiiridwa asaba, don't order, because when you order the guy will not help me. Yes, if kalekera okuvuma abantu balina obusungu nze nvuma naawe kati nze byokuvuma biri ebiddanga nakajja ku TikTok nabivaako dda mundaba mbadde byange. Just go on my page, scroll, bwolabako nga nvuma abantu like out of blue nga bwe nakolanga edda awo mpita musiro. I no longer do those things. These days namwe nkola byange zijja ku TikTok. Anyway, send requests ombuzeeko, send requests.